My dear young minds, today we are discussing the exercise 3.3 question number 1. Question number 1, sub questions 1 and 2 are already discussed in previous video, and now third question. As usual, first write the given linear equations. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 9x is equals to 2y plus 7. Now we arrange the equations in first x variable and next y variable and is equals to side constant term. So 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. This is the equation number 1, and 9x is equals to 2y plus 7 can be written as 9x plus 2y in the right hand side transpose to left hand side, then plus 2y becomes minus 2y is equals to 7. This is equation number 2. Once compare the coefficients of equation 1 and equation 2. If we multiply the equation 1 by 3, then in equation 1 and in equation 2 the coefficients becomes same. So we have to eliminate the x term in this. So first of all, multiply the equation 1 with 3 in both sides. 3 into 3x minus 5y is equals to 3 into 4. So the equation becomes 9x minus 15y is equals to 12. Now we solve the equation 2 and equation 3. Whenever we solve like this, first change the signs of the second equation. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here plus 9x minus 9x cancel, and minus 2y plus 15y becomes 13y is equals to 7 minus 12. 5 bigger number having minus sign, so because carry the minus sign, so y is equals to minus 5 by 13. Now this y value substitute in equation number 1. 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. 3x minus 5 in the place of y, substitute y value minus 5 by 13 is equals to 4. 3x minus into minus becomes plus. 5 5s are 25 by denominator as same 13 is equals to 14. First 3x only in the left hand side, and constant terms transpose to right hand side. 4 already is there. 4 plus 25 by 13 becomes minus 25 by 13. Here in the denominator of 4 there is no term, means there is a 1. So the LCM of 1 and 13 is 13. Multiplication as per butterfly wings means cross multiplication. 4 into 13, 4 13 is 52 minus 1 into 25, 25 by 13. 3x is equals to 52 minus 25 by 13. Here 13 in the division. If we transpose to left hand side, this division becomes multiplication. So 3x into 13 is equals to 52 minus 25 is 27. 3 in 27, 9 times 9 3 is 27. So here we want only the value of x, so x only in the left hand side, and in the left hand side 13 is in the multiplication, so it is transposed to right hand side, this in the division. So x is equals to 9 by 13. Once carefully observe this. If you do like this multiplication becomes very complicated. Means here this multiplication becomes very simple. Means 3 directly in 27 9 times. So that's it. But here 3 into 13 again we calculate 39 and 27 again. Which table we have to cancel it. These all and very complicated. So don't make easy calculations like little bit complication. Already we started a series, Maths from Scratch Foundation series. We start from basics onwards, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, along with the squares, cubes and all basic things in maths are started. So if you are not seen, just check our playlist and follow our channel. If you think it is useful, you can suggest your friends and family members also. And now, so therefore x value is 9 by 13 and y is equals to minus 5 by 13. So here this is the elimination method, but in the problem both the cases we have to do elimination method and substitution method. Now here is a substitution method. As usual, any problem we do, so first we have to write the given equations or given information. So here the given equations are 3x minus 5y is equals to 4, that is equation number 1, and 9x minus 2y is equals to 7, that is equation number 2. From equation number 1, in the previous method method, elimination method, we have to eliminate the either x variable or y variable. But here substitution method, in the place of x or y, we have to substitute the value in either equation number 1 or equation number 2 according to our solution. Here from equation number 1, we have to write 3x is equals to 4 plus 5y. Now we want the only x value. That's why we send the 3 to the right hand side, multiplication becomes division. So x is equals to 4 plus 5y by 3. This is equation number 3 and that is the x value. We substitute the x value in equation number 2 because already we used the equation number 1. Now this x value substitute in equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is 9x minus 2y is equals to 7. In the place of x, we substitute the x value. 9 into 4 plus 5 by 3 minus 2y as usual is equals to 7. So here 3 in 9, 3 times we have to cancel it. 3 3s are 9. So multiplied with 3 in the bracket each and every term. 3 4s are 12 plus 3 5s are 15. Variable is y, 15y minus 2y is equals to 7. Plus 15y minus 2y is 13y is equals to 7. This constant term 12 transposed to right hand side plus 12 becomes minus 12. So 13y is equals to minus 5. And 13 in the multiplication in the left hand side we transpose to right hand side. This is in the division. Minus 5 by 13. So y value is minus 5 by 13. And now we substitute this y value in equation number 3. Already we have the one value of x. X is equals to, that is 4 plus 5y by 3. In the place of y, we substitute the value y is equals to minus 5 by 13. Already we have 4 plus 5 into minus 5 by 13 by 3. So here in the numerator also we have the fraction term already. So first we have to simplify the numerator. Then so in the denominator of 4 we have 1. 4 by 1 that is. And LCM of 1 and 13 is 13. Again cross multiplication like butterfly wings. Already these all are shortcuts and simple tricks we discussed in the short videos. If we didn't see that, once check our playlist as Maths from Scratch. Now, so 13 cross multiplication, 13 into 4, 52 minus 5 5s are 25 into 1 is 25. 52 minus 25 by 13. In the denominator 3 is there. If in the denominator of 3 there is no term means there is a 1. If we transpose to numerator, 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. So 52 minus 25 is equals to 27. So 27 by 13 into 1 by 3. Here 3 in the 27, 9 times we have to cancel it. So simply 9 by 13. So therefore the value of x is equals to 9 by 13. Therefore we have both the values, x is equals to 9 by 13 and y is equals to minus 5 by 13. Once check your answers in elimination method also. In elimination method and substitution method, whatever the method, both the answers are same. If we have the different processes, but always we have the same values. Once see here, if 4 minus 25 by 13 by 3, finally answer is the same but a little bit complicated. So don't make complicate. And next one, question number 4. In previous problems, the questions like single numbers means 9, 7 like that. But here fourth problem is in the fractions. So if first we have to convert these fractional terms into normal equations. Then we have to start the actual process. Once see these equations, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equals to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equals to 3. As usual, the given linear equations are whatever the problem in either statement problem or simple problems, we have to write the given information. This creates a small good impression when if people are seeing your notebook. So here x by 2 plus 2y by 3. So this is the fractional term. Here observe the denominators 2 and 3 consecutive numbers. Whenever we have the consecutive numbers in the denominator, just multiply. For the LCM, just multiply the two numbers, either big numbers or small numbers. Whenever we have the consecutive numbers, we have to just simply multiply. And 2 3s are 6 in the denominator. Simply cross multiplication. So 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into 2y, 4y by 6 is equals to minus 1. Here 6 in the denominator, so this is in the division. If we transpose to right hand side, this is in the multiplication. Minus 1 into 6 minus 6. So this is the equation number 1. So in the second equation, x by 1. In the denominator, there is no term, means there is a 1. X minus y by 3 is equals to 3. For this, the LCM is 3 and cross multiplication 3x minus y by 3 is equals to 3, and this 3 transposed to right hand side becomes the multiplication 3 3 is 9. 3x minus y is equals to 9. This is equation number 2. Now we have the both equation number 1 and equation number 2. First, we have to start the elimination method. Elimination method, either x variable or y variable we have to remove. But once observe the equation number 1 and equation number 2 carefully, the coefficients of x terms are same. Here 3x, here also 3x. So we need not to equal the coefficients of either x or y. This is already there. So we need not to equal the coefficients of either x terms or y terms, because already 3x is the common term in both the equations. So we have to solve the equation number 1 and equation number 2. The equations are 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equals to 9. But both are in positive signs, we have to subtract. So then we have to change the signs of equation number 2. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here plus 3x minus 3x are cancelled. Ikkada changed signs are considered. 4y plus y is equals to 5y is equals to minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. Both numbers are having minus signs. So we have to carry the minus sign. 5y is equals to minus 15 and y is equals to minus 15 by 5. 5 in 15 3 times. So minus is there. So don't forget to write the negative sign. Y is equals to minus 3. Already one value y is equals to minus 3, and next we have to find the x value. For that, y is equals to minus 3 value substitute in the equation number 1 or 2. Which equation is comfortable to you? We have to substitute the y value in that equation. Here I am considering the equation number 1. First write the equation number 1 again. 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. The value of y is equals to minus 3. In the place of y, substitute minus 3. 3x plus 4 into minus 3 is equals to minus 6. 3x is equals to ikkada plus into minus, so minus 12. In the left hand side minus 12. If we transpose this minus 12 to right hand side, this minus 12 becomes plus 12. So 12 minus 6, 6. 3x is equals to 6. 3 in 6 2 times, 3 2s are 6. So therefore x is equals to 2. Finally we have the values. The value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. This is the elimination method. We have to do the both method, elimination method and substitution method. This is the elimination method. Now we have to do the substitution method. As usual, first write the given equations. 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6 as equation number 1. 3x minus y is equals to 9 as equation number 2. From equation number 1, we have to write the x value. 3x is equals to minus 6 minus 4y, and 3 in the multiplication to transpose to right hand side. This is in the division. X is equals to minus 6 minus 4y by 3. So here we are using the equation number 1. So we have to substitute the x value in equation number 2. Don't confuse. Here we using the equation number 1. So we have to substitute in equation number 2. So first write the equation number 2. 3x minus y is equals to 9. In the place of x, substitute minus 6 minus 4y by 3. 3 into x place lo minus 6 minus 4y by 3 minus y is equals to 9. So 3 is in the numerator and 3 is in the denominator, means 3 by 3. Both the terms are cancelled. So minus 6 minus 4y minus y is equals to 9 here. Minus 4y minus y minus 5y. Both are in the negative sign. That's why we carry the minus sign. And minus 6 transposed to right hand side becomes plus 6. Minus 5y is equals to 9 plus 6. Minus 5y is equals to 15. Y is equals to 15 by minus 5. So 5 in the 15 3 times. So y is equals to minus 3. Don't forget to write the negative sign. Y is equals to minus 3. So we want x value and y value. Already y value is there. So we have to substitute y value in equation number 3. That equation number 3 is x is equals to minus 6 minus 4y by 3. So in the place of y, we replace the y value. Y is equals to minus 3. Minus 6 minus 4 into minus 3. Here we forget the negative sign. Don't do this type of mistakes while calculating. Be conscious. Minus into minus plus. Minus 6 plus 12 by 3. 12 minus 6. 6 by 3. 3 in the 6 2 times. So x is equals to 2. So don't do basic mistakes like forgetting the negative sign like that. Okay, be conscious while calculating the problems. So our solutions, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. If you have any doubts, once compare the elimination method and substitution method. In both methods, we have the same answers. Still, if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. I will explain you. So if this video is useful to you and your friends, please share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.